So I was able to pick up some New York Central Athearn heavyweight cars on eBay. Price wasn't too bad. They were all mostly new in the box. The previous owner tried to install the windows and promptly fogged up some of them, but I was able to get most of them clean, except for those two right there, by massaging in some Labelle's plastic safe oil on the inside. So $60 worth of metal wheels later and $25 worth of KD couplers later, I've got a nice little consist for my Vanderbilt Hudson, the Commodore.